In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable iMessage on iPhone. So I'm starting on my iPhone, and the first thing I'm going to do is open the Settings app. Once Settings opens up, I'm just going to scroll down through the menu until I find Apps. You may need to go a little farther down the page depending on where you are, so just keep scrolling until you see it. As soon as Apps appears, I'm going to tap on that. Now I'm inside the Apps section, and from here I need to find Messages. Since the apps are listed alphabetically, I'm just going to scroll down until I get to the M section. I'm moving through the list looking for Messages, and once I find it, I'll tap on it to open the settings for that app. Now that I'm in the Messages settings, I'm looking for the iMessage option. This is the setting we need for this process, so I'm just checking through the page until I find it. Once I see iMessage, there should be a toggle next to it. To enable iMessage on iPhone, all I need to do here is tap that switch so it turns on. Once the toggle is on, that means iMessage is now enabled on this iPhone. There's no extra save button to press, and there's no separate confirmation step in these instructions. The change takes effect right away as soon as that switch is turned on. So once it's enabled, you're done. I'll just go over the path again while I'm here so it's easy to remember. We opened Settings, then scrolled down and tapped on Apps. After that, we found and opened Messages. And once we got into the Messages settings, we turned on iMessage. That's the full process from start to finish. If you're following along with me on your own iPhone, just take your time while moving through the apps list, because that's usually the only part that takes a little longer. Once you get to Messages, the rest is very straightforward. You just open the settings, look for iMessage, and turn it on. So I'm still here on the Messages settings page, and I can quickly double check the toggle before leaving. As long as the iMessage switch is on, then iMessage is enabled. That makes it easy to confirm the setting at a glance before you back out. Once that's done, you can simply return to the previous screen or close the settings app completely, and your change will already be applied. There's nothing else you need to adjust in this process, and no additional menus involved beyond this one setting. So that's how to enable iMessage on iPhone. Just open Settings, go to Apps, tap on Messages, and then turn on iMessage. That's all you need to do, and once you know where the setting is, it only takes a moment to find and enable.